The patient has the autonomy. During their virtual and in-person visits, Jalata said Clancy never talked about having a plan to harm herself or her children. She also never showed signs of psychosis or mania. But Jalata acknowledged that Clancy did report having thoughts of suicide. She also suggested that Clancy might have underlying bipolar disorder due to her days of going without sleep, but Patrick Clancy denied that was the case. In mid-December, Jalata had a call with the couple and was told Clancy had her worst day and was having persistent, intrusive thoughts of suicide. Jalata suggested she consider a higher level of care such as that offered by Massachusetts General Hospital. She settled on the Women and Infants Hospital postpartum program in Rhode Island, but was soon discharged with advice to stop taking one of her antipsychotic medication. Jalata, who was going on vacation, said she was concerned that Clancy had been discharged from the hospital, telling her in a message that she could benefit from the groups and added support separate even from the medication changes. She was worried that the hospital wanted Clancy to go off Seroquel, the antipsychotic medications. Clancy was advised this could lead to worsening of mood, worsening of sleep, but she insisted on going off the medication. Jalata agreed to slowly reduce the dosage. During a cross-examination, Clancy's attorney, Kevin Reddington, argued that Jalata was not familiar with the care Clancy received elsewhere. Jalata never talked to one of Clancy's psychiatrists, Dr. Jennifer Tufts, nor did she access Tufts' medical records. She did not know how many times Clancy saw Tufts, noting that she only thought Tufts treated Clancy in September. Would it surprise you if I told you that she saw Dr. Tufts 14 times during a 4-month period ending in January, Reddington said. Jalata never talked to anyone from the Rhode Island hospital that admitted Clancy, nor did she have access to the records of McLean Hospital, a psychiatric facility that Clancy admitted herself into on New Year's Eve. If you're treating a person through all of this stuff that we've talked about, and it's now apparent that the things have decompensated so bad that they have voluntarily admitted her to a locked ward in a mental institution, is it important to Rebecca Jalata to find out what the diagnosis and treatment was of their patient? Jalata agreed it was, but acknowledged that she did not find out, that she never did find out. Clancy, 36, has pleaded not guilty to murder charges in the death of Callan, Dawson, and Cora Clancy, who ranged from 8 months to 5 years old. They were found in the basement of the family's home in coastal Duxbury, Massachusetts, where their mother was lying in the yard. She had jumped from the second-story window, and she remains paralyzed from the waist down. Prosecutors argue